Hello, Ebony Bikini Chef here. So the pork chops are done. I'm getting ready to put the barbecue sauce on there and the chicken because I did both of these a day but two different videos. And I made my own barbecue sauce slash store bought. So I'm gonna take the stuff out and I don't know if it's going to be safe to sit it. Where that pan at? Because I don't want to burn my counter. I'm going to set that joint right there. Alright. Oh, let me put the pan over here. And I am going to pour off some of this juice. Water. Because I put too much water. Alright. Alright. Now, I'm about to put the barbecue sauce on here and put it in there without the lid. And I'm gonna flip these over so they're covered all over. Now, usually only do one side. I ain't gonna lie. So for y'all, I'm gonna flip these suckers over. Make sure it's on both sides because I'll be lazy. Tell the truth, I'll be lazy. But remember, tongues. Remember, I'm not eating these for my neighbor. Flip these suckers over. Oh yeah, they definitely ready. I love chicken thighs, man. I'm mad I can't eat. Look at that. Falling off the bone. And it's 5 pork chops. This is the stuff that he gave me. The T-bone steak, that was his too. He kept saying, one is for you. I said, no, didn't I tell you I'm trying to do this diet thing? I'm trying to lose weight. Because you got to lose at least 50 pounds before you do the weight loss surgery. He told me, if you don't eat it, I'm going to throw your trash can on top of your car. I said, what? You don't get your psychotic behind from in front of my door. How you going to tell me to eat something if I say I don't want to eat it? I need to lose weight. Ooh, it's as simple as that. Because I ain't trying to die early. Make sure I got this thing. Oh my God. Alright, pork chops. I have pot holders, but I can't work with mittens. Alright, so I'm gonna do the same thing, but keep the camera like that. So I didn't know if you could barbecue pork chops, but I Googled it, so obviously you can. I don't know if y'all can see this, but don't they look good? Look at that. Oh God, they keep talking about stuff rising, man. Like, what are we getting out of this with everything going sky high? Like, seriously? I need my own farm. I grow my own stuff, shoot. I'd rather do that anyway. At least I know my food will be safe. And we all know with pork, you gotta make sure it's done. But I do need to get a thermometer tomorrow because turn these joints over. Oh man, they nice and soft. I don't want to burn my hand. Uh-oh. If I had this idea with the stuck to the foil. They said somebody online was saying to use the foil, line the I done broke it up. And they said line the because I used to do it with the hard to maneuver this thing. I still want to save a little bit of this dip. Put it on one more time at 6:45. And it'll be perfect. Like these joints is like stuck to the foil. So that's what they were saying online. They said line the glass dish with foil, because I'm telling you, when I did all them other meals for y'all and just the glass, it was so hard to get the residue out of there. I was like, oh my gosh. So I was happy that I'm still trying to flip this thing over. Alright, I got one more to flip. Oh, there's 5 in here. This is the one that got stuck, so I am gonna have to I need a knife. This spoon right here. Because the foil done got stuck. So look, now I'm gonna have to clean the daggone pan. So now, next time I do the cooking for him, alright. I'll do double wrap. Because it's hard as hell to clean these pans. It really is. Oh man, that shit ain't gonna be good. Like I said, love food. I'm gonna miss it. So it's time for me to start eating again. But I'm not gonna go back to red meat. No pork, no pepperoni, nope. Going straight back to being a vegan again. I'm still gonna do the cooking though. Just won't be eating it. But it do smell good. It's tempting. Trust me. It's tempting. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, so I'm gonna put this back in here. I need to cover this again. I gotta get more pressing steel tomorrow. This stuff saved my life. That pressing steel, man. Saves. Oh, damn it. It's all on the side. Plus, I gotta get my sink ready to wash all this stuff. So, alright. Let's get this stuff in the oven. Oil don't even try it. One thing I got plenty of is oil. So like 35 minutes. It'll be the way I want it to be. Oh my God, I love glass containers. I just don't love cleaning them. Old school charm, huh? Alright, so I'm not doing no more videos. I'm done for the day. So I ain't even show y'all what the meat look like. I would have to take the I don't know how to, I can't wait till I get my Android because I can flip it around while I'm recording. I don't know how to do all that on this iPhone. So I'm gonna have to say good night. It's been lovely, and thank you again. And I wish y'all was here because y'all can have it since I can't eat it. So hope y'all have a good night.